In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a cinematic look in Luminar AI. We'll build a film-inspired mood step by step, keeping it clean, dramatic, and intentional. Follow along with any photo you like, and remember, subtle moves stacked together create the most believable results. We'll start by setting a solid base with Enhance AI. This tool quickly balances exposure, contrast, and color so you're not fighting bad lighting later. Gently raise the main slider until the image opens up, but watch your highlights and shadow detail. Think of this as prepping the canvas before you paint. Use the before and after toggle as you go to make sure the improvement is real, and not just more. A good base lets the creative grading that follows look smooth rather than heavy-handed. Next, head to the Creative panel and open the Mood tool to apply color grading with Luminar. Choose a cinematic vibe such as teal and orange or a muted film look, then refine with the Amount, Contrast, and Saturation sliders. Aim to guide color, not drown the image in it. If skin tones start drifting too cyan or orange, dial back the amount or reduce saturation. Cinematic color is about harmony and restraint, with cooler shadows and warmer highlights feeling cohesive. Now refine contrast and tone using the Dramatic tool. Increase the amount to add punch and texture, then use local contrast to make details pop without making the image crunchy. If colors begin to feel too bold, slightly lower saturation here for better control. Cinematic images often carry deeper shadows and richer midtones, so let the scene feel moody, but avoid crushing blacks. Keep an eye on the histogram and zoom in to check that fine detail remains intact. To add a film-like texture, apply subtle film grain from the Creative tools. Keep it light, just enough to soften digital sharpness and knit the tones together. Too much grain can look noisy and distract from the story. A small amount adds that familiar, tactile, movie surface without announcing itself. Finish by focusing attention and depth. Apply a gentle dark vignette to pull the viewer's eye toward the subject. Feather it generously so it feels invisible. And place the center right over your subject for a natural draw. If you're working with portraits or a clear foreground subject, use Relight AI to slightly darken the background and lift the foreground. This creates depth and separation, like controlled set lighting, and instantly adds cinematic presence. That's it. Clean base correction, tasteful color, disciplined contrast, a hint of texture, and focused depth for a true big screen feel.